Well, hello there. You clicked on this video because you want to learn how to double haul a fly rod. And why do you want to do this? It's because it adds distance to your fly cast and also helps you shoot it in the wind, kind of like we're seeing here today. So I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of how to double haul. Now, the theory behind double hauling, you're speeding up the line, and that's really not what gets the cast out further. What gets the cast out further is the load that it puts on the fly rod. And then that fly rod transfers all that energy into the fly line. You'll notice when I'm casting, there's a lot of bend that starts happening on the fly rod. That's because I'm hauling, I'm putting a lot more bend on the fly rod, and that energy is being transferred into the line. So there is something you want to do when casting, whether it's double hauling or not. You want to make sure that you have a hard stop on both sides of your cast. That helps unload the rod and transfer the energy into the line. So with your non-casting hand, right here, you want to always have hold of that. You're going to do an up-down motion, and it needs to be timed when the line goes all the way out this way, and then all the way out again this way. You want to be able to time it. So up-down motion. Watch my non-casting hand. Up-down. So you're kind of timing it with the fly going back and forth. Like that. You can see how much line casts out there by doing the double haul. It really turns the fly rod into like a line rifle. So you want to be able to work on the timing with your non-casting hand. Notice when the fly line goes all the way to the back is when I do the haul. And when it's all the way out in front, I do the haul again. So all the way back, haul, 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 haul. Just like that, all that fly line's out. And that's probably about a 90-foot cast. So hauling really helps you shoot the line out there really quick. So again, hauling is an up-down motion, trying to keep a tight line from your hand through the fly rod to the fly. You want to try to minimize as much slack as you can during the haul. You always want to keep in contact with the line with your non-casting hand. But look at the load that it puts on this rod. So now it's just, that rod is just ready to transfer all that energy into the fly line. You'll also notice that I do a hard stop, right? Both on the back cast and the forward cast. It's important after you load the rod, you got a big bend, right? That's what's called loading the rod. It's important that you transfer that energy, all that rod is built up into the fly line, and how you do that is a hard stop, right? So haul, hard stop, 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 haul, hard stop. And boom, cast really easy. So that's called the double haul. So keep practicing that up-down motion, timing, right? Wait for all that line to extend out behind you before hauling it forward along with the rod, and then a hard stop on both the back cast and the forward cast, and that'll help you shoot that line out there way further than you are today. So really, when it comes to hauling, it takes practice. And I put together another tutorial right here and right here. I'll put up both of them that kind of goes over some of the other basics. One of the videos has 5 different casting tips. Another one talks about why you really don't need to false cast to get it out there, especially if you're new. All right, thanks so much for tuning in, and until the next time, fish on.